Welcome to the Flash Performance Garage, where I picked up a project and my wife is not going to be happy. So we're headed outside the shop today to show you a new project that I just picked up that I am super excited about. And here it is. You see that? It's a 30-foot RV. Yeah, buddy. She was not thrilled when I came home with this guy. And I can understand why. I mean, she's not much of a camper, but also it's kind of a pile. But I've already started working on it, but let me give you a little background story about this RV. So I picked this RV up at a sheriff's auction. This RV did not run, and it did not have a steering column in it. Well, of course it didn't run, it didn't have a steering column in it. So I had to figure out how to get a steering column fabricated for it. I was able to find a salvage yard that is located in Springfield, Missouri that specializes in RVs. So I was able to find a steering column to put in the RV. So I was able to get the steering column put in the RV, and then I realized that it wouldn't start. So I had to do a little more research, figure out what was going on. It didn't have any power. So I got it started, drove it home from the police auction site, and here it is in all of its glory. So let me take you through some of the different things about it, and I'll tell you what I've already done and what I have planned for it. So this is gonna be a brand new series that I'm gonna call RV Restoration. I'm gonna go through the process of restoring an RV and trying to fix all the little things about it. If you've ever played with an RV before, you know that there ain't a whole lot of information to find on them. So I'm gonna go through some of the struggles that I have found and some of those solutions that I have found to fix them. So let's take a walk around the RV. So this is a 1999 Damon Daybreak. This is on a P30 Chevy chassis. It has a 7.4 big block, a 4L80 transmission, and it was in pretty rough shape. Now, the people that I figured out before me had this, they lived in this full time, but they actually took pretty good care of it. The inside had good carpet, the inside had decent cabinets, and it didn't look like it was in too rough a shape. So you can see that I've already taken the stickers off of that. We started on that process today. One of the issues that I have found is that the dual rear wheel, the inner dual, is flat, so we're gonna fix that. I have figured out that the generator does not start. We got to figure out why the generator will not start. So that'll be an interesting project. We have some seam issues right here where it has started to separate. We're gonna have to figure out how to push this wall back out a little bit to get those two seams together. We have some fiberglass work to do. You can see right here on the headlights, I have to put the grill back in, but the grill supports were pretty messed up. I've had to fix a lot of electrical issues. The person that owned it before me did a lot of little things that made it very difficult to get it running. So we did those and fixed up, get it going down the road. It does have lots of storage underneath, which is fantastic. So let's take a look inside. One of the things that you'll notice in here that I didn't notice when I bought it was the steering column. It did have a steering column in it, but it was not the right one. So it wasn't even connected to the shifter or connected to the steering box. So I was not able to drive it away right away. I had to get that fixed before I could bring it home. The captain's chair and the passenger's chair were not here. Those were gone. Absolutely nothing there. I was able to pick up a captain's chair, a passenger's chair, the bucket chair that goes right here, and a flip out couch, all from Craigslist from someone who had this same RV. You can see that the cabinets are not in the best of shape, but they are salvageable. I'll be able to paint those. I have to replace where the TV was. The person that owned this before had stickers everywhere, so we got to fix all those. They had rope lighting going around the RV, so that wasn't very special. I've already started putting in some new LED lights throughout the coach and getting that taken care of. I have to fix the table bed. That table will go down and turn into a bed. I got to fix all that still. The refrigerator does work. The microwave, I do not know. I did a lot of cleaning already. We'll swing on back here into the back, and it does have a full shower. It does have a master bedroom. I took the mattress out because it was nasty. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little story, and it's kind of gross, so I hope you're ready for this. So when I got the RV, it actually had hazardous stickers on the doors. And so I asked the tow yard, I said, why would you put hazardous stickers on the doors? And they said, well, if you go and you open the bathroom door, you'll understand why. So I went in and opened the bathroom door, and it was full of deuces. I mean, like lots of deuces, like crusty, been there a long time deuces. So he put hazardous stickers on there because they didn't want to fix it. So it has been an interesting journey so far of being an RV owner for the first time. I was able to get those deuces cleaned up and have the RV pumped out before winter came. So we have a lot of projects to do on this RV, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you stay tuned. Stick with me on this project. We're going to go through this step by step and try and show you all the different things that I found. So if you're in the same predicament that I am, you can do it too. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. I got my assistant Addie back there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.